Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today I am going to discuss chapter 2, which is fraction and decimals. First we discuss what is fraction. Fraction is a part of whole. Fraction is a part of whole. So, my dear students, look carefully here and understood. This is a rectangle, a whole rectangle. I want to divide it into two parts. Okay, there are two parts in this rectangle. Each part is 1 by 2. So this is fraction. Each part of whole is called fraction. Next example is this is a rectangle. I want to divide it into 3 equal parts. We can write it 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Each part is called fraction. Okay, understood? So we can define it a part of whole is called fraction. Okay? Another definition of fraction. Another definition of fraction is the number which is in the form P by Q, where P and Q are natural number. Is called fraction. Okay? Fraction equal numerator by denominator. Okay, we can write short for n by n upon d. Okay, understood? Next question is, how many types of fraction? There are many types of fraction, so I am going to discuss some types of fraction here. Types of fraction. First, proper fraction. Proper fraction. What is proper fraction? The fraction whose numerator is less than denominator. The fraction whose numerator is less than denominator is called proper fraction. that is numerator less than denominator. Example, 1 by 2, here numerator is 1, numerator is 2, numerator is less than 2, so this is proper fraction. 2 by 3, proper fraction. 5 by 7, proper fraction. Okay? This is numerator, this is denominator. Numerator less than denominator is called fraction, proper fraction, etc. Okay, understood? Next, improper fraction. Improper fraction. The fraction whose numerator is greater than denominator or equal to denominator is called improper fraction. Numerator greater than denominator or numerator equal to denominator is called improper fraction. Example, 3 upon 2, 5 upon 2, here numerator is greater than denominator, numerator is greater than denominator. Next, 2 by 2, numerator and denominator are the same, it's called improper fraction. 7 by 7, improper fraction, etc. Okay, understood? Next, third, mixed fraction. Mixed fraction, a combination of whole number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Whole number plus proper fraction. Combination of whole number and proper fraction is called mixed fraction. Okay? Example, 2 whole over by 3. 2 is whole number, 1 over 3 is proper fraction. This is whole number. This is proper fraction. Okay. Next example, 5 whole 1 over 3, 3 whole 1 over 5, etc. This is mixed fraction. Okay, next is like fraction. Like fraction. What is like fraction? The fraction whose denominator are the same is called like fraction. The fraction whose denominator are same is called like fraction. Okay? Example, 1 by 2, 3 by 2, 5 by 2. Here all denominators are the same. So all are like fraction. Okay? Understood? Next, on like fraction, fraction whose denominator are different. The fraction whose denominator are different is called unlike fraction. Okay? Example: 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 6 by 7, all denominator are different. Here 2, 5, 7 different. So this is unlike fraction. Okay? Next is unit fraction. What is unit fraction? The fraction whose denominator is 1 is called unit fraction. Okay, example: 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 5, etc. Okay, next is decimal fraction. Decimal fraction. The fraction whose denominator are the multiples of 10. The fraction whose denominator are the multiple of 10, that is 10, 100, 1000, etc. is called decimal fraction. Okay, example: 1 by 10, 2 by 100, 5 by 1000, etc. Okay? Equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Okay? What is equivalent fraction? The fraction whose simplest form are the same. The fraction whose simplest form are the same. The fraction whose simplest form are the same is called equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. Okay? Like 1 by 2, 4 by 8. When we cancel 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 2. So this simplest form of 4 by 2 is 1 by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2. 3 by 6, its simplest form is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, 4 by 8, and 3 by 6 are equivalent fraction. Valent fraction. Okay? One thing is very important, how to get equivalent fraction. Okay? We can get equivalent fraction. We can get equivalent fraction by multiply or divide by same number in numerator and denominator. We can get equivalent fraction by multiply or divide by same number in numerator and denominator. Okay? Example. What is the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3? 2 by 3. There are many equivalent fractions, but I get only 3 equivalent fraction of 2 by 3 here. 2 by 3. We can get a equivalent fraction 2 by 3. 2 by 3 into multiply 2 by 2 numerator and denominator. So we get 2 to the 4, 3 to the 6. Next, 2 by 3 by 3 multiply by 3 numerator and denominator. We get 6 by 9. Next, 2 by 3 we get 10 by 15. So here 4 by 6, 6 by 9, 10 by 15 are the equivalent fraction of 2 by 3. So my dear students, you can get equivalent fraction this type. Okay? In next video, I will discuss exercise 2.1. Thank you.